MIAM, first of all, stands for Mediation, Information and Assessment Meeting. And it generally costs about £200 plus VAT, and it lasts an hour. And at Blanchard's Law, we tend to do these virtually because we find that it is more convenient for clients and they can stay in their own home and they don't have the travel inconvenience. This meeting is an opportunity for you to talk to me in confidence. It is private and confidential, it does not involve your partner, and I can talk to you about what mediation involves, and you can also talk to me about any concerns or worries that you have about mediation, and also what your hopes maybe are for mediation, and we can think about that together. The MIAM itself, which is sometimes actually called an intake session, but the MIAM itself is in three parts. The first part is me talking to you about what mediation involves and also what it is and what it isn't. The second part is me asking you some screening questions. It will be things like whether you trust your partner, whether there is a power imbalance and that sort of thing. The third part is really you asking me about sort of any questions that you have, and also telling me your fears and concerns about it, any special arrangements that you might need for a mediation to go ahead, like having a supporter there or in separate rooms, something like that. And also really maybe what your hopes are for mediation. The MIAM is actually an opportunity for you to get to know me, to talk to me in confidence, because actually it is private and confidential and your partner is not involved in this session. A similar session is offered to them. But it demystifies the process because you can see how I talk, how I approach things, and you can decide whether we work together. If actually we both decide together that mediation is not for you, then the MIAM or intake session is actually the end of your mediation journey, and I will actually sign the court form to say that you can go to court. But we very much hope that the MIAM or intake session is actually the start of your mediation journey, that I then have a similar session with your partner on a private and confidential basis, and then you both move forward to the joint meetings.